Welcome. In this video I will explain the right way to charge your HONOR X7d for long-term battery health. So I want to start with explaining how lithium polymer batteries work. Basically, such batteries like the one in your HONOR X7d perform best when kept within a moderate charge range. So ideally, you should charge your phone when it drops to around 30 or maybe 20% and unplug it once it reaches about 80%. For that, you can also use the feature that helps you. It's located in the battery settings and it's called, you have to go to more battery settings, and it's called the smart charging. So the smart charging basically slows down your battery charging speed once it reaches 80%, and it's designed specifically for this reason. So keep your battery between 30 or 20 and 80% to reduce stress and slow down the capacity degradation. Avoid leaving your phone plugged in overnight, as trickle charging at 100% can generate heat and stress the battery over time. Also, refrain from heavy usage such as gaming or video streaming while charging, since these activities increase heat output, which negatively affects battery lifespan. The last thing I want to say is that modern HONOR phones have protective charging features, but following these best practices helps you keep your battery healthy and efficient for a year. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.